Good day to each and everyone. I'm Edwin Cortez of Asuki Dabao Brands, having a position of sales executive. On behalf of the brands, I would like to congratulate Asuki Wing System Incorporated for reaching up 10 years in the business. Most especially to the owners of the company, Mr. Francis Ong, Ms. Julie Ong, and Mr. Kenneth Dong. Again, sir, ma'am, I would like to congratulate your excellence. Kasi nakikita naman yung growth ng business niyo. May result. Yung meron na kayong sariling building na ang laki pa naman. Ang pagkakaalam ko, may marami na rin affiliate companies yung Asuki. Marami ng partners. So, ibig sabihin, nag-grow talaga. Ang masasabi ko rin sa sarili ko, since nag-exit na ako dito ng more than 5 years, nabago yung quality ng buhay ko, it's because maganda yung kinikita ko. Since mabait kasi yung may-ari, nagbibigay sila ng magandang benefits sa mga employee nila. So, again, I would like to congratulate Mr. Francis Ong, Ms. Julie Ong, and Mr. Kenneth Ong. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Salamat sa pagtitiwala niyo sa akin. Happy ako sa nangyari sa business niyo, sir. Ma'am.